Hi all, today we'll be seeing what is Java, uses of Java and why to use Java. And if you're learning Java, what are the basic things that you need to know? Let's get started. This is the first time you're watching our video, please do subscribe us and follow us on Instagram. So basically what is Java? Like Java is a programming language. When we say about Java, it's not just we say that it's a programming language, but it comes as Java technology also. So when we say Java as a technology, it's about servlets, framework, and so on. And today in this video, we'll be seeing Java as a programming language. Like why to use Java? Java works on different platforms like Windows, Mac. So most of the people go to Java and it is easy to learn and it is one of the most popular language used in the worldwide. Java is used in many places like when we have to develop a web applications or mobile application, desktop application, games and much more uses we have when it comes to Java. So we'll be seeing what are the things that we need to learn if we have to do programming in Java. Basically, we have to know the syntax of how to write the code and how to use them and when we have to use them. If we know this, we are good to go. So let's get started by creating a project. Basically, to get started with Java, first we have to ensure we have Java installed on our machine and we need IDE for that. I'll be using Eclipse IDE for this. And to check whether Java is installed in your machine or not, just open your terminal and check for the version. And to check for version, you'll be using Java hyphen version. And I'm using Java 1.8. If you people have not seen a video installation of Java and installation of Eclipse IDE, please visit our channel and you can watch it, or else we'll be putting those links in our description as well. Okay, click on File, New and Project. We'll be selecting Java project and next. We'll give Java project name as Java tutorial. And I'll be giving open Java perspective. Once it's done, if you expand your project, you will get src folder. Inside src folder, we'll be writing the classes. So classes will be inside packages. So first we'll be creating package. Right click on src folder and new, click on package. I'll be giving package name as com.basics. Okay, package is created. Now I'll be right clicking on package, new and class. And class name I would be writing first code. If any of the programming language we try to learn, the first program we try to write is hello world program. So we'll be writing that now. Java program execution starts from the main method. So first we'll be defining our main method. So syntax for that is public static void main, and inside parenthesis you'll be giving string args For printing a line on a console, you will be writing system.out.print. And in double quotes, you'll be writing hello world and close the double quote. And once it's done, save your program and you can click the run button which is available here or right click on the file, run as Java application. So you can see the output here, hello world is printed in the console. Okay, we have successfully written a first program in our Java and compiled it successfully. So one of the basic things that we follow in real time classes or real time project is we give a comments, which means a Java doc to specify what that particular class is doing or for a particular what a method is doing. So it is important for us to know how to write comments. Okay. If you're writing single line comment, add two slash and write statement to print hello world. And when it comes to the class, you'll be giving a Java doc which consists of multiple lines. So you'll be using slash and the star and enter. You'll be writing class to print hello world. So your Java docs or the comment section should be explainable. It should describe what a class is doing and what a method is doing or what a statement is doing. When we add comments in our class, it will not get printed on a console. It is just for a user to understand what it is. If one programmer writes a program and if other programmer sees those program, it should be able to understand what the class is doing, what is the purpose of the class. For that, we'll be using comments. So I've added the comments now. I'll be running the program. So you can still see the hello world is printed and the comments is not printed. So you have seen how to write a program, compile it, how to print a statement on a console, how to add comments in single line and multi-line. And that's it for this video. We'll catch up in next video where we'll be seeing more concepts in Java. Stay tuned. Bye bye.